This conference will now be recorded.
अद्य गुरुवासरः अथवा बृहस्पतिवासरः भाद्रपद शुद्ध द्वितीया दिनांक 20 अगस्त 2020 सहस्रयोगम कार्पासास्थ्यादि चूर्ण शंखं चक्रं गदां चारुदोर्भिश्चतुर्भिः सूक्ष्मस्वच्छातिहृद्यांशुकपरिविलसन् मौलिनं भोजनेत्रं कालाम्भोदोज्ज्वलाङ्गं कटितटविलसच्चारुपीताम्बराढ्यं वन्दे धन्वन्तरिं तं निखिलगदवनप्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् प्रौढदावाग्निलीलम् ब्रह्मणो हि समारब्धामात्रेयाद्येषु पूजिताम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम् आयुर्वेदरतं वन्दे माधवाख्यं महागुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं शिष्येभ्यो यः प्रदत्तं द्रष्टाज्ञानी दृष्टकर्मा कृतकर्मा तथैव च अध्यापको विषक्श्रेष्ठो महान् संशोधकस्तथा गुणैरेतैः समुदितैः यत्कार्यं प्रतनोति सः समृद्ध्यर्थं हि कार्यस्य वयं नु प्रयतामहे सरस्वत्यै नमो यस्याः प्रसादात् पुण्यकर्मभिः बुद्धिदर्पणसङ्क्रान्तं जगदध्यक्षमीक्षते आत्रेयं प्रथमं वन्दे आयुर्वेदजगद्गुरुम् आयुर्वेदामृतं सर्वं गृहीत्वा हि सुरेश्वरात् अग्निवेशादिकेभ्यो यत् प्रेच्छत् सप्तमः प्रथमं तन्त्रकर्तारम् अग्निवेशं नमाम्यहम्। कार्पासास्थ्यादि चूर्णम् कार्पासास्तित्वा कृष्णा लाजा चूर्णं सशर्करं लेहे च्छर्दिनाशाय रहस्यमिदम् उत्तमम्। तर्हि इदम् उत्तमं रहस्यम् इति तत्र कथितमस्ति। कार्पासास्ति तुगा कृष्णा लाजा चूर्णं सशर्करम्। तर्हि सुलभः अयं पाठः। कार्पासास्ति वंशलोचन कृष्णा पिप्पली लाजा 1 part each churna to be prepared and administered internally for chardi. So there are few cases which are very troublesome as regards chardi is concerned. So let us see whether this is available, and if not, then also it is easy to prepare. Only thing is we need to get karpasasti properly, because now the karpasasti is genetically modified. So we have to find out the speed of karpasasti and then use this churna, and that should be fine. एलादि चूर्ण एला लवंग गदकेसर कोल मज्जा लाज प्रियंगु धन चंदन चंद्र सौज्ञा चूर्णीकृताश्च वदना परिलीयमानाः छर्दिं विनहन्ति कुमारतपित्तगाता. So Tridosha Shardi, this is good. Ela Lavanga Gada is Kushtha, then Keshara, not Keshar, Kola Majja, Laja, Priyangu, Dhana, Musta, Chandana, and Karpura, Chandra. So these are to be used. Churni Krutasha Madana Padinyamala, to powdered and then to be licked with honey. Chardim Vinyanti Kupamaruta Pittagata. So Chardi due to any dosha or samsarga sannipata. This is useful. So this is also quite good. And maybe used particularly for chardi. That's it. So Jati Lavangadi Churna, Jati Lavanga Tudimukkudu, वेन्नितैलां चूर्णीकरिच्छु शललीभसितेन तुल्यम् तेनिल कुडच्च लिहतामचिरेण हिक्कां श्वासं उदरामयम्. This is very typical. Though this shlok is written in Sanskrit, there are these Malayalam words. Tudi mukkundu venni telam churni karichu shalali basitena tulyam. चूर्णी करिच्छु ये थोड़ा गुजराती लगता है. शलली भसितेन तुल्यम. सो जाती फल लवंग तुडी एला मुक्कड़ु शुंठी पिप्पली मरीचाचं त्रिकट सल्लिकंटक भस्म ash of thorns of boar. चूर्णी करुच्छु सलली भसितेन तुल्यम. One part each. So त्रिकट्टु जाती लवंग एला and this mashi of Badara Kantaka. Tenil Pudchu Lihatam Chiren Hikam with Madhu. Pudachu is Madhu. Tenil Pudachu. Swasam Chakasamupihanti Udaramayanch. So Hika Shwas Kasan Udaramaya. So whether this is from Siddha Yoga or Malayalam, Kerala, Tamil Nadu or Kerala, that might have to be seen and then used accordingly. Kadukkadi Churna. Kadukkamula Kunchukku Kandu Sharkarayum Malar Podichu Madhuna Jena Nikkilikki Lodinan Kadukka Mulakam Maricha Mulukam वर्तिया है मुलकुम के लिए. चुक्कम शुंठी अलरू Laja, Khanda Sharkara. Prepare churna with the above drugs taken in specified quantity and when necessary. The quantity has not been mentioned. Nakkilikki, that might be hikka. Kadukkadi churna. Kadukka mula punchunku. Kanda Sharkarayum malar. This is typical either Malayali or Tamil. एलादि चूर्ण एलात्वक नाग कुसुम तीक्ष्ण कृष्णा महौषधम नागुरुद्धम गर्भाचूर्णम जयंती समशर्करा प्रसे कारुचि पार्श्वार्थी छर्दि कंठा मयाप. So this is famous. I have used this in my practice. Called as Samasharkara. That is also in Arsha. I don't remember right now, but even in Arsha, this is to be used. So Ela Tvak Nagakusuma Tikshna is Maricha, Krishna is Pippali, and Mahaushadha is Shuntis. Bhagarvuttam. How he has converted it into 1 to raise to 4. If Vigunitam Yadi Syat, if it is Vigunita, then it is like this. Otherwise, Ela 1 Tvak 2 Nagakeshwara 3. Tikshna Maricha 4, Krishna 5, and Mahaushadha 6. That should be the Krama. So again, the translation is controversial. Eight 16, Mahoshada 32, and Sharkara 64 parts. Praseka Aruchi Parshvashula Charti Kantaroga. And this is also Samasharkara, it's not there. 32, 16, 8, 24. Maybe it is Samasharkara. So Kattu and Madhura, this is the combination. And I've used particularly for Arsha, Agni Deepana, very good Agni Deepana, and Rochana, that is the thing. Karpuradi Churana, Karpura Chocha Takkola, Jati Fala Dala Samaha, Lavanganaga Marichak, Krishna Shunti Vivarditaha, Chunam Sita Samam Riddhim Rochanam Shayakasati. So, Karpura Chochaistvak. Okay, Takkola, Jati Fala Jayapatri. Takkola we read, I'm not remembering right now. Takkola. Davanga Nagamaricha Krishna Shunti Vivarditaha. So Lavanga is 2 parts, Nakeshara 4 parts, Krishna 8 parts, Maricha 8 parts, Krishna 16 parts. And Shunti 32 parts. Sanat Chaudan Sola. These. And Vartsa is Dom Cha. So this becomes 66 really speaking. And then the Sita also should be 66. Ticket, I don't think it is Tikatu, it is something different. The color in Hindi book is Sheetalachini. We read something in this only, Takkola, before it has arrived. Now again, Vivardhita is just by 1 or something like that. And Tudi Ela Mukkadu Puntha Vella Tippani Tilla Maricha. Is it Gujarati? I thought something from the Kerala or Tamil Nadu, Siddha Sampradaya. Okay, so what I feel right now is Sitasamam Rudyam Rochanam Kshayakasaji. Rochana and Kshayakasaji. Karpuradi Churana is available in the market, which is the formula that I don't know. Kudu is Shunti. Kuntha. Is it Gujarati or some other language? Takkola Chakrafula, a star-shaped spice. Chakrafula. ये मलयालम है. Okay. So the Karpuradi Churana, which is available in market, from which part it has been taken. It is mostly used for Shwasakasa, etc. And surprisingly, it is used to reduce the stanya pradurbhava. There is a mention by Ai Rajwade in her book that Karpuradi Churna can be given to reduce breast milk, particularly when there is a stillbirth or there is death after delivery and the infant dies. Then this milk is a problem, and how to reduce that milk is another issue. Sometimes due to this grief, it automatically gets reduced. But if it doesn't reduce, then that may produce stana vidradi. So I have used Karpura Dichurna for that purpose, and it works. So I read this in Tai Rajwade's book. Sir, what is the purpose of such Vivadhita Pramana of Ghataka Dravyas in such kalpas, especially in Churna Kalpana? Vividha or Vivadhita? I don't know. Vivardhita. Vella Pippali. Okay. Actually, this is a big question, and the rationale behind that has to be understood. Vivardhita, it just Vivardhita by one part each or something. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And Gunita, Dvigunita is twice, and Trigunita is thrice. Hingu Triguna Taila is famous as a Trigunita. But and in this Neha or Vrta Kalpana, it is Chaturgunita. Kalka one part, Vrta or Sneha 4 parts, and Dravadravya 16 parts. So why this is particularly used? Why this quantum is particular? Okay, CNS is having same part, and it is available in the market. So when it becomes like this, that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that, then what we can say, there is no gunottara like of thing, and it is plain increase in quantity. So the quantity of the last dravya is not that much as compared with the first dravya. If we keep on making it twice, thrice, or something like that, then the quantity is much more of the last dravya. Whereas this is moderate, but as compared to all dravya in equal quantity, this is still having some dominance. That is one thing. And the last one is more important. All are Sugandhi Dravya, Parthiva will absorb Jala Mahabhuta of Stanya. This might be one of the logics, and these are Sugandhi, and that is why they might be using the money. That is also possible. And reducing the grief. So it might be possible that they are Parthiva and absorbent of Jala of Stanya. But anyway, in certain conditions, this is a requirement, and how to satisfy this is a big issue, big question. And if it is happening again and again, second time, third time, or something like that, then it is more difficult. Recently, there is one case in which there is one girl surviving 10 years, two in between have died. I don't know whether it is intrauterine death or after delivery. Remember, right? Mhm. Both had cardiomyopathy, and now the fourth child is also having cardiomyopathy with some lesions in brain. Just 1 month and of age. So if this is the situation, then it is very difficult. Sita is much more in this. It is Parthiv of the Jala. That is yet another aspect. So I think to counteract the Katurasa, Sita has been added. That is the thing. Karparadi Churn, Karparadi Vatak सारखे आहेत का? That I don't know. Somebody who knows may throw light on this. And it becomes palatable anyway when it is mixed with Sharkara. And Sharkara in equal quantity, that is the general ratio. In Sitopaladi Churna, Sharkara is also Dviguni. In Talisadi Churna, also it is Dvigunita. But otherwise, it is equal part of all other ingredients, making it palatable. That is one of the important issues. So we may think of this as such that this helps in that particular condition, and no doubt it is used in Shvasakas. There is no doubt. Chukkum shunthi gulam guda chukkuliratti chukkiliratti urakam tadviganam tu varuttilam vartatilam kuttuyoratti yoretu dinam tingi livan valia kuraya. Bhrushtataila. What is meant by Bhrushtataila? Prepare churna not taken in specified quantity. Gulma is cured within 8 days. Now everything is in Malayalam, so Viganam Varuttilam. Varuttatilam. Bhrushtatila, not Taila, but Tila. Suntha, good and til. Okay. This I have used in Udarashula, Vatapradhan Udarashula, and it works fine. Now this is there in Vagbhata as such. I do remember in Shula Chikitsa, Varuttatilam, Bhrushtatilam. शुंठी एक भाग उरच्च गुल गुड़ 2 भाग. ओके. नागपुवादि चूर्ण नागपूजीरक वंसितीयुम വൻസിതയും നേർര ചേർത്തു പൊടിയാക്കി തേനേൽ കുടച്ചു വിഘ്യത് തൃഷ്ണാസമമേതി ദുസ്സഹാമഭിനൃണാം. So Nagakeshara, Jiraka and Sita. This is simple again. Urachagula is Malayalam Navagugulu. And but I don't think here is Gugulu. Navaguda. That is fine. So Nakeshar, Jiraka and Sita. So this is also simple. Trishna. Yet Trishna samameti dussahapi nranam. So maybe try to use this in CKD to reduce Trishna. Nalapamaradi Churna. Nalpamaraणां विमोक्षुणा किमन्नाय ओडिच्चन् पोडु नेतु कुट्टि तेनोडु तिन्नालोडियुं पिपासा विष्णो कथायामिव पापसिंहम्. Nalapaamaram, Vata, Udumbara, Ashwatha and Laksha Shrunga equal parts. So Nalapamar is Shidi Vriksha. Prepare churna with the above drugs taken in the specified quantity and mix internally with madhu and sharkara. विष्णु कथायाम में वो पाप संगम यथा विष्णु की कथा से पाप संग नष्ट होता है उस प्रकार से इससे तृष्णा नष्ट होती है. So this specifies तृष्णा like पाप संग by विष्णु कथा. वृत्त तिल भुने हुए तिल 4 भाग. The churna is used in Kshayaja Kasa. Sharkara is Aharya Dravya, so maybe for the Bruhan Prakrut Kapha Dosha Nirmiti purpose, Sharkara is used in large quantity in such yogas. Like Karpura, Elad, Karpuradi, Sitopaladi, etc. So Sharkara Ikshvikaranam Panitancha Varavare, Ikshvikara Sharkara is the supreme. And Phanita is the outermost or something like that. So why we need to produce Prakruta Kapha? This is Sharkara is used in large quantities. And secondly, as I said, to counteract the Katurasa of on other dravyas. इनका 7 दिन सेवन करने से गुल्म का नाश होता है. वो पहले वाला था. शुंठी गुड़ एंड वो क्या योग था एक्चुअली. Shunthi, Guda and Brishtatira. Yeah. So I just forgot Brishtatira. So this is again for Trishna. Vata, Udumbara, Ashwatha, Laksha, Shunga. Vata Shunga Nelli Kuvala Malayarum Podiyaki Nalla Madhuraditam Gulikam Ditati Mukha Potu Nayoru Tushno Potakalayam Vatashunga Amalaki Kuvalam Bilomula. Otherwise, Kuvala is Kamala. Alaru Raja. pills by pounding with honey and should be used at chewing pills. Krishna. Sarasija makarandadi churna. Sarasija makarandam chandanam tanduliyam badukamamritavalli sharkara dhiru tarkshyam sahita madhu tatetat churnitam sundarinam Sudhiram upanuradhyat yonimarka pravrittam. So this is Rakta as such. सिकेडीमध्ये तृष्णेसाठी मनुका चघळण्यास सांगता येईल. That I do. To a certain extent it works. नागपुवादि चूर्ण का ये माप है. तिळगुळाचे लाडू म्हणता येईल पण करुणीकर असावे. But there is shunthi also, no? It's not only tila and gula. So tilgul is no doubt. I don't know whether bhushtatila is used in tilgul, but it can be used. And shunthi is there along with. So there is one yog in Pandurogadhyaya about tila and guda together. Kvatham, that's a kvatha. Tila kvatha with guda or something like that. Then, I don't know. There is Gudika. Pippali Dvigunika. Mampara. Tilanagara Mandura Tilamshan Manapasama. Mudanagara Mandura Tilamshan Manapasama. Pippali Dvigunam Vijat Gudikam Pandurokini. So Gudanagara Mandura Tila. These to be taken as one part and Pippali Dviguna. So Gutikam Pandurogini. Actually, this is quite simple and maybe Bhrishtatila can be used in this. And with Guda there it is quite possible to make Gutika. So this might be used. That's a better thing to do. Sarasuja Kamala Kesara. Tanduliya Cholai. Sarasijamakarandam Chandanam Tanduliyam Madhukam Amrutavalli Sharkara Dhiru Takshyam Sahita Madhu Tatetat Kyonitam Sundariya Rudhiram Upanirudhyat Yonimarga Pravrittam. So Kamal Keshar Chandana Tanduliya Madhuka Amrutavalli Sharkara Abhiru Tarksha. Swarnamakshi. So this seems to be good. Rakta Pradara. Whether this is available, Sarasija Makaranda Churna. Of course, by Keshar, Kamal Keshar, it should be very costly. Otherwise, this seems to be good part. विश्वैलादि चूर्ण, विश्वैलाकण मुसली गोक्षर वांशी सिता रजस तद्वत् रक्तस्राव प्रशमकम पानार्थ विशेषैर्मतम् विश्वशुंठी एला कणा मुसली गोक्षर वंशी सिता शुगर. This is also strange because this is quite Ushnavirya. Vishwa Shunti, Ela, Kana, Pippali, the Musali, Gokshura, and Tavakshri and Sita. These are Shitavirya Dravyas. But Vishwa itself is quite Ushnavirya. And Rakta Pradar. Palashruti is again Rakta Pradar. Amruta Pippali Vamshi Yashtin Divara Nagaraha Turunaksham Panchamulancha Tutti Kushmanda Sharkaraha Vasukam Gokshuram Mustadarvi Parni Chatushtayam अर्कभक्ता वरायुथि वाराहि क्षीरवृक्षकाः द्वात्रिंशदंशदानां सूक्ष्मचूर्णानि कारय सर्पिर्मधुभ्यं तच्चूर्णं लेहेत् सुसमाहितः आत्रेयानुमतं श्रेष्ठं शुक्रास्ति श्रावनाशनम्. मुळुची पिंपळी वंशी वंशरचन यष्टी इंदीवर कमळ नीलोत्पल नागर तृणपंचमूळ तुडी एला कुष्मांड शर्करा वसुक वसपुष्पा शिवमल्लिका गोक्षुर मुस्ता दार्वी पर्णी चतुष्टय अर्कभक्त वरा युथी जुही जस्मिन वाराही शीरी वृक्ष. So Shukrasrava Astisrava Shvetapradara. Why this Shvetapradara is called as Astisrava? This is again a question, but we have also seen this particularly. Shukrasti Sravanashana. Actually, the name of the Vishwailadi Churna, whether this is available or not, that we have to see. But what I feel right now, there are patients with this Shukrasrava. Even Shvetapradara is also there. So we may try to think there are many ingredients. तिळगुळाचे लाडू तीळ भाजून करतात. तांदूळ जा तंडुलिया के तांदूळ जा अभिरू शतावरी नॉट भीरू अभिरू शतावरी. So Shvetapradara and Shukrasrava, in both this is useful. Utabhugadi Churna. Utabhug Ajamod Saindhava Magati Magada Maricha Samapatya Amala Shvit Pita Pandvar Sho Vandimande Shofari. Amaloda Shvit. So sour buttermilk. Utabhugi Chitra Kajamoda Saindhava Magada Vipali Maricha and Samaha Patya. So these are to be taken in equal quantity, and Patya is to be taken equal to all these combinations. पथ्या पांडवर्षो वन्यमान्य शोफहरी. Pandu, Arsha, Agnimadya, and Shof. So this is also something peculiar. We have to think about this. Particularly in Sneha Vyapat, this might be useful. So, Indupu, Indupu, Kanam, Indupu Kanamam, Kayam, Kam, Kanam, Ayamon the Medun Dukanam, Nalevati Pipali, Haritaki, Yaru Kanam, Haritaki Yaru Kanam. Venirailannu Pulimoralativa Mandagninam iti vadanti Purana Vaidyaha. So the last stanza, last part is in Sanskrit, but the initial three are in Malayalam. Sneha Vyapat Shri Sambandha Kasa Lavla especially. Because Takra is particularly given for Sneha Vyapat. Even Takrarishta is given. And all other dravyas are more Katu. So if there is hypercholesterol due to sneha, more sneha in the diet, then this may be thought of. Utavugadi and Indupukunam available AVP. Okay. So Utavugadi, I feel can be used with Ambatakara. Saindhavalavana, Indupu, Ajamoda, Pippali, and Haritaki. 1, 2, 4, 6. So this is again a different combination, different percentage. Prepare churna with the above drugs taken in the specified quantity and administered internally with Venerala, hot water, with or with Morilla, Ativa, especially with sour buttermilk. Okay. Also maybe तक्रारिष्ट ग्रहणी मध्ये जवळपास असेच घटक आहेत. Okay. So we can use even takrarishta grahani adhikar. Takrarishta that is second part. Takrarishta number 1 is this arshodhika. And okay. So maybe we can think about using this. Agnimadya, Falashruti is just Indup Kana. संध्या लवण एक बार आगे मतलब पहले 4 बार करती 6 बार का चूर्ण करना है. How this 1, 2, 4, 6 this combination? So really don't understand by which 1 to 4 is 7. It is not even 7. And it is not even 8. 1, 2, 4, 8. So 1, 2, 4, 6 is something different logic. But this should be good. Vaishwanara Churna. I have used this. Lavana Yavani Dipyaka Karanagaram Uttarottaram Vruddham. Sarvasamasham Haritaki Churno Vaishwanara Saksha. So Uttarattara Vruddha already has done double. And I have used it in Kramavruddha part. So Lavana Yavani Dipyaka Kana and Nagara Haritaki. Sarvasamasham Haritaki Churno Vaishwanara Saksha. So Badanigraha. But it is in Vagbhata as well. So may have to think about that. Sir, Astikarya is Dharana. So in Shvetaparadara and Shukrasrava, there is where Dharana Kriya is less. It may be concerned with Asti, it may be concerned with Asti Dhatu, Shaithilya, which leads further to Shukra and Majja Shaithilya. It is commonly seen that. Asthidhatu Shaithilya is present in such cases. Even Asti Shaithilya or Asti porosity more, which is very common. And Asti Saushirya. So Shaithilya of Asti is difficult to understand. There can be Sandhi Bandhana, Mausa, etc. having Shaithilya, and then the Asti may not remain in its proper position. But Sir Saushirya, okay. So Saushirya is present in such cases. Now in menopause, many women have osteoporosity leading further to arthritis kind of things are. Astikshaya, Astishula, etc. etc. Now this is related to hormonal imbalance. And the hormones get reduced, and that is why there is this kind of osteoporosity and such. Another important reason that is found today for osteoporosity is lack of vitamin D3, and that is very common due to non-exposure to sunlight by ourselves or by cows, and that is a major reason as such. So we may have to think about this more seriously. As such, there are no mentions about the menopausal syndrome in Ayurvedic text, and कन्व्हेन्शनल मेडिसिन मध्ये फिजियोलॉजिकल डिफोरिया मध्ये कॅल्शियम सप्लिमेंट देतात. Okay, so there will be some relationship between this Asti and Srava, and that is why it is called as Asti Srava. Shweta Srava is said as Asti Srava, and might be that we have to consider Pratiloma Raja Yakshma. In Shukrasrava, it is definitely considered Pratiloma Raja Yakshma. क्षीणेरे तसे क्षीयन्ते धातवः सर्वे. Tatashushati Manavaha. That is one of the important aspects in Pratilomakshaya. So in this situation, this particular churna is useful by reducing the Shukrasrava. And there are many people who, due to overindulgence in masturbation or hastamaithuna, face this problem later and Shukrasrava as such. And then how to counteract it is a big issue. How to treat it is a big issue. So there are psychological aspects associated, and besides that, those psychological aspects, there can be holding of the shukra required by some medicine or something like that. Vanga is a common medicine used for that, and Jati Phala is also Stambhaka. The only thing is Jatipala is Stambhaka for Purisha as well. So I have been using Triphala Bhavit Jatipala, Tribhaja, that is what I use. And this works better in Hastamaithana, Shukrakshay or something like that. So we may have to think about this, and so Vaishwanara Churna, I have some doubt about the dosage of the ingredients, dosage of the ingredients. But maybe uh, one may have to see into Vagbhata and what is the percentage over there that should be found. Surnadichurna. चूर्णीकृता षोडश चूर्णस्य भागः ततो अर्धेन तु चित्रकस्य महौषधा द्वे मृचस्य चैका गुणेन नाम जयाय पिण्डी. This is actually Surnavataka. So Surana 16 parts, ततः अर्धः चित्रक महौषधा द्वे मरीचस्य चैका. So Mahaushadha 2 part and Marich 1 part. So this is also a bit strange. 1, 2, 8 and 16. There is no 4 in between. Maricha and Guda. But I think Guda should be equal quantity to all. Arshas. Suran Vatak, that is what I have heard. And I use it in Arsha, there is no doubt. But in those questions in which copper tea has been kept for a prolonged period, then this Surana Vatak I am using. Because the Amrutikarana of Tamra is by Surana. So I'm using Surana Vataka in that. And Surana is an edible thing. So it's a Kanda and that is edible. So this is a better choice, Suranadi Vataka. So maybe we try to use Durnama Jayaya Pindi, but this may be used even for other purposes. As I said, for property. दंती त्रिवृतादिचूर्ण दंती त्रिवृत महाश्यामा कंपिल कटिकाभया नीलिमी मगधा चूर्ण चित्रातैल संबंधिता विरेचन मुदावरत मूढ़वातानुगमनम्. So this is also quite Ushna Tikshna, but should be useful. Dante Trivrat Mahashama Kampila Kutuka Abhaya Nilini Magata Pippali. So this is quite good. Maybe we try to use this. So let us conclude here and continue tomorrow. So as I said, we'll have tomorrow's lecture and then after tomorrow it's Ganesh Chaturthi. We won't have lecture on day after tomorrow. आयुर्वेद प्रकांडो निगदित इह हि शल्यतंत्र प्रधानः शिष्येभ्यः शाश्वतोऽयं निखिलजनकृपा व्याप्तचित्तेन येन आयुर्वेदस्य वाञ्छन् पुनरपि भुवने काञ्च सुष्ठु प्रतिष्ठां श्रेष्ठं धन्वन्तरिं तं प्रणमति च सदा वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम् वैद्यवर्गो हि नूनम्.